Today I'm going to show you 4 ways to turn any kind of video that you have into a structured PDF that you can then use somewhere else or save for future references. So the problem with long videos, like meeting recordings where you were shown a demo, is they're really hard to go back to. You have to commit yourself to watching the video fully, but then also finding the right moment in a video where you want to see a specific moment of it is really hard. So if you're trying to then write a support article, or if you are a student, it's really hard to just recall the main things that were told to you in the video. So in Hinto, we created a free tool that you can use on web without basically even creating an account, which is our video to PDF converter. And today I'm going to show you how it works. It works with a bunch of different formats of video. You can start with uploading, let's say, a YouTube link, or a Zoom call, or a Loom clip, or a screen recording that you might have, and then you can change it into structured content. It's all designed to make it really easy for you to do this without adding downloading any extra tools to your computer, either your Windows computer or your Mac. And let's dive right in and I'll show you how it works. So all you need to do is you need to find the link that I'm going to leave in the description below, or you can go to hintoai.com and find the tool there. And basically what you do is once you hit the page, you pick a file that you want to use. So we support MP4, MOV, AVI, WebM, and more formats, but those are the main ones. So you can either browse and pick a file, or you can choose a video like a Loom, Zoom, a video from Google Drive, or Dropbox. Just make sure that you have permissions to use that video, and that if you're the owner of the video, you've set the settings for you to be able to use it to allow third parties to use it. So I have a video on my device, so I'm going to push browse, and here's a demo feature that we recorded over one of our tools, and now we've uploaded it. And because we do a lot of stuff on the browser, it goes a lot faster than sending everything to the server in the second. So you can pick between 4 formats. So you can choose instructions. So these are step-by-step guides or a process. So let's say you want someone who is from your sales team to understand how to use a tool. You're going to want to select this because then they can reproduce the steps one by one. A transcript. So this is raw speech to text, 1-for-1. Many of you now use this to use it with ChatGPT and Claude, because you can then basically use that as context for a task that you want to do. Like on the back of this video, create a blog post, or an Instagram post, or a LinkedIn post. Draft it for me. Everything that you create in using this tool, you can export in Markdown or PDF or Word, so that makes it really handy for you to use any of the formats, and the best one for AI is Markdown. Meeting summaries are self-explanatory. This is where you want key decisions, but if something was shown to you, like a set of slides, the slides will get pulled in as images, so then you don't have to do the extra work. Or if you want to, you have a bit of content like what I'm sharing with you right now, and you can turn that into a blog post. A blog post that you can post on Substack or any other platform, because we support most of them. You can just post from here, copy paste it over, and then you can use the content that you created. So I already have a recent article that I created, but let's push the process video button, and this is going to start processing the video. What's happening is Hinto is watching the video and then condensing and summarizing the main things. The goal is to leave out all of the hi, am I on this call? So is everyone ready? Has everyone joined the call? It leaves all of those things out and focuses your attention on the main things that were said inside of the video. While we're waiting for that, let me show you a few more things that will be helpful for you, which is basically, again, you can get a shareable link, you can frame capture PDF, and more. So the blog post was created. So you can see here that it has created it. It inserts the images, and in this particular sort of story arc, it's all about step-by-step instructions that were shared. If I'm happy with what I got, I can just copy paste it over to my clipboard and then reuse the text. If I want to, I can change the format of the input or the format of the output as to a different type of content, or I can tap download, and then I have a choice of 3. I can download the PDF, I can download the Word file, or I can download the Markdown file. Again, the Markdown file is the best type of output, so you can go from video to Markdown. It's the best type to use if you're trying to share context about a task for ChatGPT and other AI models like Claude and Grok and things like that. If you change the output, you can also do a transcript. And so what that will do is it will just simply create a raw word-for-word description of everything that was said, and then you can reuse that context. So sometimes what that's useful for is if you actually then want to basically Command F and search for specific keywords that you want to see. And again, it's been created, but again, you also have the images. What's also nice is that you have timestamps here too. So you can see when I was speaking, you can see the key points at what points they were said. So timestamps are really cool because then if someone is trying to figure out or go back to a specific point in the video that you were talking about, you can say, hey, Jeremy, go back to minute 155, and that will be where you want to be if you want to go see this. You see also at the top here, we have recent articles. So what that allows you to do is jump back to where you were initially, to the format and the type of doc that you created. And so yeah, that's the tool, basically. And again, if you're not happy with what you get, you can change the format. Sometimes if you feel like Hinto missed a point, it's probably due to the fact that you need to switch the format that you want us to draft your output in, and then everything should be fine. And then once you're ready, if you actually want to go back and maybe edit something like your images, you can tap the edit button here, and then you can sign up for Hinto to edit this blog post for free. And what's cool about that is that you are able to just upload into Hinto AI. You can upload simply a video, and then you can transform it completely automatically into a knowledge base, a blog post, an internal workflow. You can extract, just focus on video screenshots, even meeting recaps, and even all the way down to customer interviews. Hinto is designed for you not to do any of the heavy lifting on drafting typical documentation and workflows that we all do with our hands, or even in an AI-assisted way. All you need to do is upload video. So let me know what you think about the tool. Drop a comment below, but also please try it out. Again, it's free at hintoai.com, and I will share a link at the bottom here now. Thanks.